Welcome to Kalyan Diocesan News. The Catechism Department of the Diocese organized a holistic as well as engaging camp from 22nd to 24th April for the students who appeared for their 10th grade examination. This initiative aimed to provide valuable insights as they prepare to enter the next chapter of their lives. The program featured a variety of sessions including time management, overcoming different types of addiction, career counseling, and interactive games. A time of adoration was also included, helping students to reflect spiritually. With a comprehensive approach that addressed multiple aspects of personal and spiritual development, the event was both enriching and enjoyable. Around 70 students participated, and the experience proved to be both memorable and meaningful for all who attended. The Leadership Training Camp for all elected presidents and secretaries from forains and parishes was held from June 21st to 22nd at ARC Panvel. Designed as an overnight experience, the camp aimed to equip all youth leaders with the tools to guide their communities effectively. Through sessions on responsibility, decision-making, communication, and spiritual grounding, participants gained practical insights and leadership clarity. Engaging workshops, group activities, and reflective moments encouraged both personal growth and collective learning. LTC 2025 proved to be a powerful launchpad empowering young leaders to inspire, serve, and lead their parishes with renewed purpose. Ava Pro-Life, in collaboration with the Catechism Department of the Eparchy of Kalyan, organized Life Teens Retreat 2025 from 6th to 8th June at ARC Panvel. The retreat, open to students from 3rd to 12th grade, offered interactive sessions on pro-life topics, biblical reflections on the sanctity of life, group discussions, praise and worship, gospel band, and engaging activities to inspire the young hearts of our diocese to become passionate defenders of the gospel of life. Including AVA members, 151 participated in the retreat. Koinonia Camp was organized by Key for 12th grade pass-outs from 29th to 31st May at ARC Panvel under the guidance of Youth Director Father Rajesh, Assistant Director Father Dixon, and 5 dedicated DEXCOs. A total of 62 enthusiastic youth from the diocese participated in this enriching 3-day journey. The camp beautifully combined spiritual, personal, and communal growth. Each day began with the Holy Kurbana, centering the campers spiritually. A special time of adoration was held on the second day, offering a moment of deep reflection and connection with the Lord. Empowering sessions were led by Mr. Biju Dominic on freedom, Mr. Leo Chaco on the Happiness Project, Father Jerry on friendship, and Ms. Rini on self-esteem. Vocational sessions by priests and sisters inspired youth to reflect on their calling, while Thomas Ajay conducted an insightful session on the key moment. Fun-filled games organized by DEXCOs added energy to the camp, while the Rosary Walk gave participants time to pray for their personal intentions. A special highlight was Koinonia Night, thoughtfully arranged for the youth, featuring games, dance, and a lively campfire that encouraged bonding and joy. The 13th Kalyan Diocese Pitruvedi Badminton Tournament was grandly held on May 4, 2025 at the Father Agnel Indoor Court in Vashi under the leadership of the Diocesan Pitruvedi. The event began with a special Holy Kurbana at St. Thomas Church, Vashi, followed by an official inauguration by Reverend Father Joju Arakelt, Diocesan Chancellor, in the presence of dignitaries including Pitruvedi Director Reverend Father Joby Ayadamatam and various executive members. The program honored the memory of Pope Francis and victims of terrorism with silent prayer and included welcoming addresses, scripture readings, and oath-taking led by senior members. with 52 teams from 36 parishes across Nasik, Mumbai, and Pune competing in 3 categories: below 40, above 40, and above 55. The matches were intense and spirited, officiated by referees from the Navi Mumbai Badminton Association. The well-coordinated event culminated in a valedictory ceremony and prize distribution with St. Thomas Cathedral Kalyan below 40, St. Thomas Church Vashi above 40, and St. Thomas Church Dapodi above 55 securing first prizes in their respective categories. All teams were given encouragement trophies. The Golden Jubilee of the priestly ordination of Mar Thomas Ilevenal was joyfully celebrated on June 28, 2025 at St. Thomas Cathedral, Kalyan. The event began with Holy Kurbana, followed by a public meeting honoring his 50 years of dedicated service marked by humility, leadership and commitment. Dignitaries including His Grace Mar Givargis Kurilos, Bishop Jose Chichu Parambil and Mar Joseph Kollem Parambil offered their greetings. A souvenir was presented and the 300th house key under the Diocesan Housing Project was handed over. The celebration witnessed wide participation, expressing deep gratitude for Bishop Ilevenal's faithful service to the Church and the MCBS congregation. The Deacon Jerin Memorial Solo Singing Competition was organized by Mary Mada Church, Sakinaka, to commemorate the 6th death anniversary of Deacon Jerin Chitlepalli. The competition was held in 3 categories. Category A, participants aged 13 years and below. Category B, participants aged 14 to 35 years. Category C, participants aged 36 years and above. The results of the online competition were announced on 22nd June. Kalyan Madra Sangam celebrated their sacerdotal Golden Jubilee Patrons Day on 6 July at Turna Auditorium, Nerul. The day began with the celebration of the Holy Kurbana by His Excellency Mar Thomas Ilevenal, the Bishop of Kalyan Epaki, followed by a public meeting which included several felicitations and cultural programs performed by mothers from across the Epaki. The event was conducted under the leadership of Father Shaji and Father Fibin, Director and Assistant Director of Madra Sangam. This is Angelina Babu reporting for Kalyan Diocesan News.